Little update. It got so warm, I had to take the jacket off. So we're on our way to get some more runs.
It now. So the bird that one, I'll come on 500. So here we go. This is the part where we're going downhill, guys. We got Carlos ahead of us, so we'll catch up here in a minute. Yeah, my music stopped playing. Probably don't have no phone service right now, guys. Because the backside, I don't get phone service back here for some reason. Let's go. I like the burnt step on, guys. You know, they're pretty nice to have a new setup for me. So
It's right down here.
hopefully I'm not gonna stick like this. No, I'm gonna go right here because I'm sticking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go do bombs.
All right, just meet me up over here. Springtime snowboarding, guys. We're almost to the spot, guys. We're almost here, guys. All right, we're here, guys. So we made it. Gotta wait for Carlo. You're good. Yo, you're good, man. I got some new burnt step on bindings right now, so.
What's that?
I got new burnt step on bindings for my snowboard. So it's pretty nice to have these.
What do you watch?
YouTube.
Yeah.
That's what I do all videos. If you want to try to the channel, is Shadow, capital S233T.
Let me watch you go down.
All right.
Picture. At the bottom.
Oh yeah! Let's go! Let's go, guys! Oh yeah, guys, I'm way ahead now. Oh yeah, guys, we're gonna wait for cars at start morning chairlift again, guys. I got a little way too ahead of Carlos, so we'll wait for him. He'll be coming, guys. Oh, no! I'm gonna be stuck. Alright guys, we're going slow. We need a spring, I need a spring wax, guys. That's the next thing is on my list. So, Johnson Bookhouse, let me know what kind of spring wax I should get. Like, I'm on Venture Carlos YouTube channel. So, I need to know what kind I need to get. I need some Sylvester for spring wax because I'm going slow. Let's go. We're waiting for Carlos. He's coming, guys. Here he is. I don't know if you guys see him. He's down there. He's coming, guys. He's catching up. So let's go. We're almost there, guys. So look, a little spring slush snow. So yeah. Oh man, I have to take this jacket off, guys. I'm getting hot. We'll wait for Carlos, guys. So yeah, Carlos got me some goggles for my birthday, guys. My birthday was February 5th, so he got it for me. So I appreciate you, Carlos, and thank you for the birthday present. I really appreciate it. So if you watch the video later, I really appreciate that. And yeah, it was awesome. Yo, let's go. So I'm gonna wait for him right here by Deer Point. He's coming, guys. I'm gonna have to get out of this jacket, you guys. Jeez. Woo! All right, here he is, guys. Here's Adventure Carlos.
Shadow, guys.
Yeah, we got him, guys. I was going slow in the slush, so it's okay. So what do you think about that run?
That was pretty fun. We got a little separated, but then we did Tiger.
Yeah, there you go.
Or I did Tiger. That was a blast.
All right, guys, I'm going to head to anybody here.
Make sure you explode the like button, subscribe. We'll see you in another video.